Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft 365 personal or individual plans. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to connect first with a personal account and not an organization account. And after that, you will need just to go to your Microsoft account, and from there, you will be able to start managing your subscription or you can get your Microsoft. So as you can see, I'm already on my account menu, and if you go to subscription, you can get like the same subscriptions or the same options. So as you can see here, you can like I find my resubscribe, etc. And from here, you can find like free services. So let's just stick on account, and basically you will be needing just to click on get Microsoft subscription, and from there you will be able to get it or to buy it, and basically you will be able to start having the Microsoft 365 for personal use or for individual use. And as you can see, it is just for one person, and you can get all these features. So basically, you will get all the Microsoft apps such as the Word, Excel, or the known Office. And basically, you will have OneNote, the publisher, like Clipchamp, Teams, and of course the Outlook and the Designer. And basically, you will need just to get information or get informed about the application. You click on buy now, and basically it will take you to the checkout page. And from there, you will need just to add your billing information. You confirm, and basically you will be able to get your subscription. After that, you will be able to start managing your subscription from here. So you will go to subscription, and basically you will find it here in all your subscription. Then you can manage it, you can cancel it, you can see when it will expire, etc., etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.